Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Echo Show 8. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just purchased the Amazon Echo Show 8. So here's the box that it came in. You've got your standard Amazon logo. So let me go ahead and unbox this. Right here is the Echo Show box. This one is like the second generation, only this is a bit smaller. It's only an 8-inch screen versus the 10-inch with the second generation. So now let's go ahead and open up the box and show you everything that comes with this Echo Show. It's got a little tape right here at the top. So first off, you can see that it is well packaged. It has this little gripper right here to pull the Echo out of the box. And there's the Amazon logo. So I'm just going to put it to the side. You can see the speaker right here. So inside you'll see your power plug and your instructions manual. So this right here says it's a 30 watt. And here is the instructions manual, how to set this up. What buttons go to what. A little information. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. This does have a plastic on it to protect it. At the bottom, it's got a little sticky thing at the bottom, more rubbery, so it doesn't slip or move around. So on the back side of the speaker, you'll see you have your power plug, a USB port, and a 3.5 millimeter jack. At the top, you have your mute button. You have your volume down and volume up. And right here are your little microphones for Alexa. And this is your camera closer, so you can close the camera if you don't use it. You just slide that over and it will cover the camera. So I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to set it up. So now it's going to get started. It's very easy step-by-step instructions. I'm going to set it up to my network and my email. Alright, so that's all set it up. Now it's asking me to set my time zone. And it's correct for my time zone. Now you can slide up and down. If you slide down, you can go into your settings. Right here's your settings. You can connect your Bluetooth, network, display, brightness, wallpaper, clock. So here's a display, and then you have adaptive brightness, sunrise, which I do adaptive brightness because my room sometimes it's a lot dark and I don't want a really bright screen. Here are some of your other settings like your help, legal and compliance, where to get your information off the Alexa app. So now I'm just going to ask Alexa to do a few things. Alexa, show me the weather for Phoenix, Arizona.
Here is the weather in Phoenix, Arizona.
Alexa, open YouTube.
Please select a default browser. Here is YouTube.
So now I'm going to search my channel under Maddie's Review Channel. I'm going to click on the microphone and then just say my channel name and it should pop up. And then I'm going to play a video for demonstration purposes. Maddie's Review Channel. So the first channel right here at the top is mine. I'm just going to click on a random video. Under my videos, let's just click the last video I uploaded, which was my dash cam. So I'm going to go ahead and load that one. Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie. Alright, so we got the Rove R2 This is the 4K model of the dash cam. It says truth be told. So now let's open up the package. This is truly a 4K dash cam. I have been using this for a while now and I can clearly say this is the best one I have ever owned. Alexa, Tell me how to make a funnel cake.
Okay, for funnel cake, here's a few recipes.
So now let's check on what recipes she has recommended to us. So I'm just going to click on one of these. You can get the recipe. You can also watch a YouTube video. So down here at the bottom, once the recipe pops up, you can save it. You can get all the ingredients, or you can click the video and it'll play a little video on how to mix your recipe, on how to make this one, specifically the funnel cake fries. So now it's going to take in a little short video of how to make that. Alexa, go back. Alexa, back to the home screen. So you can see by the review, this is a very great assistant. I was coming from the Google Home Hub, which there was not much you could do on that. This one you can do unlimited things. You can listen to Spotify, Pandora, call people on your Skype or using your Alexa app. You can also get recipes, watch YouTube videos. There's endless possibilities with this device. If you are interested in purchasing this device or learning a little bit more about it, what it also has to offer, you can click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.